To get notification after form submission, click on Automation option. Here click on Create Automation button. Now enter here your automation name, then select Form Submit in Trigger On section. Now select which form you want to receive notification. Here, select your automation action. Then enter your mail ID in Send Mail to field where you received notification. Here, enter your subject and message. To get lead data in mail, then check in. Attach form data with mail field. Now select Active option in Status section field. Then save the settings and preview it. Here you got the notification with leads data.